Hi my loves, welcome to another video. You guys know I love to exercise. You've seen all of my exercise videos from like 2017 till now. So this next exercise video is going to be super fun because it's with Jacfit. And I'm really excited to try this out. It's just basically, you know my motto, like just keep moving no matter what. So what I really like about this is that it even says get up and move, and their whole mantra is very similar to mine, where you want to make movement and exercise really fun, you know. So this is what's inside the box and I'm really excited. I'm opening this up with you, so that's awesome, and we're gonna do this together. So this is what it looks like. And it also has this piece right here. So I'm gonna set it up on my bike, which I turned my kitchen, well, half of it, into a gym, but that's a whole nother video. But I'm gonna set it up and then we'll talk about it. We'll play around with it and then I'll let you know what I think. But so far, just from like looking at it, let's open up the manual here. It seems like it's gonna be really, really fun. So it basically looks like you attach it to your bike and then you get to play, like when you ride your bike, it'll be like playing video games. So I'm pretty excited about it. So let's go to the bike, set it up, and check it out. Okay, so this is my bike, and later, another video, I'm gonna show you how I turned half my kitchen into a gym. So my bike is not like your average bike, it's an exercise bike, so I had to put my Jacfit right there on the wheel. This is very important because this was a little complicated in the directions, but you have to put your magnets all the way around. Like I need to get a couple more stickers so I could put some here and here. But if you notice, the light is gonna turn blue. You see that? Every time it passes a magnet, and that's how the sensor has you play and sync with the game. So I just wanted you to know that, because that was something that took me a while to get. So yeah, yay, time to actually, you know, download the app. So you want to type in Jacfit in your app, then it should come up right away. And we're gonna open, double click for me, have the face recognition thing. It took a little while to load, but not too long. Yay, how exciting is this, you guys? If you like it, you should also rate it there. You see how it has 5 stars. So now it's opening, so you can sign in via your email, your Apple login, or Facebook. So you have those 3 choices. Then you have to pick your bike, if it's an exercise bike, if it's like a regular like Peloton type bike, stuff like that. Then with the USB connection and the Wi-Fi, you'll be able to find your bike like I did here where it says JS Speed. So then you click your bike and then you have to calibrate your bike, which I'll show you later. Here are the 4 rooms that you go in. Then you have your settings where you can put your birthday and location and your name if you want. Your height and your weight as well if you want to do that. And then here's the fun part. You get to like pick a character, guy or a lady. You could change the color of the bike or the outfits. Some of them are unlocked, so you won't be able to get them until you pass like certain levels. But that's the fun of it, right? You just keep on moving and exercising, and then you get to unlock all these really cool stuff, which I'll also show you ahead of time after, like what it looks like. So I'm just playing around here trying to find you know, my rider, someone cool like this lady in pink. And so now these are the different like areas that you can ride your bike. There's a lot of different cool ones, and we'll go over each one individually later. I'm just picking one up now so that we can start. Yay! So I just want to say I had so much fun with this, you guys. Like me that I'm recovering from an ACL injury and I'm overweight, and sometimes certain exercises can be very strenuous on the knees, this is so fun and you don't get tired as quick because you're like seeing all these cool levels in the game. So I really recommend this, you guys. You should totally check it out. I'm thoroughly enjoying this, like you have no idea. So I'm just gonna take like a couple minutes and show you through the path that I'm playing right now. So I hope that you guys enjoy, and then later on towards the end, once I'm finished with one lap, I will show you the other cool features that they have once you play enough to unlock them.
2.46 miles reached. Enjoy sweating. 1 laps reached. Enjoy sweating.
You guys, isn't this so cool? So it tells you to enjoy sweating every time you reach a mile. So that's really cool. Now we're gonna get into the outfits. Once you can unlock some stuff, it's pretty cool. You can change your wheels, different colors. So we're just clicking through so you can see all the colors. And you can change your outfit. I like to match, so I'm gonna have like my outfit match my wheels. And then you can pick female or male, whichever one you like the best. I really like picking avatars that try to make it look like me as much as possible. Although she has some short red hair, she's still pretty cool. So now that I have the outfit and the wheels matching all white, white is my favorite color. White, beige, and green are actually my favorite color. I'm gonna show you the unlocked features. So here you get to have like these really cool tires, and you can have like these flames or like electric thing. I don't know what you call that, force field around, which is super, super cool. And then I love the pet. I love like a little companion, so that's super, super exciting. Now we can go to roaming. You can do party and tournament too. Actually, I have to show you the calibration thing as well. I totally forgot about that. So earlier you saw where I picked my bike and then it asked for the calibration. So you're gonna go into your settings, which I seem to not be able to find. And there you go. So you can do it manual or you can do it based on how you have it set up. So I picked the one where it's set up at my wheel. So now roaming. So we have the desert, city, like a galaxy one. So we're gonna go over each one. So I totally, thoroughly enjoyed this. I think the galaxy one is my favorite, but this one, that was the one I was playing before. This one is the Arctic. So I'm just driving around. I'm just riding around to show you how it looks. So when you play, and hopefully you can play with me, you'll be able to see the different scenes. And comment down below, let me know which is your favorite scene, and also totally add me if you get Jacfit, which I hope you do. Add me so that we can ride bikes together. So the next one we're going to do is Wonderland. As I mentioned earlier, it does take a little while to load, but it's totally worth it. This bridge part looks so cool. Okay, now we're just gonna go back and I'm gonna change so you can see what it looks like with different features. I'm gonna do the wheels now and change the pet. I picked a dog first because like eventually I want to get a husky like as my actual pet. So I was like, yay, I'm so glad that they had one. So this one is the city one. And when I first played it, it was raining. So right now it's not raining, but it was really, really cool. And check this out, Jacfit Runner, which is another Jacfit that you can do. So you don't just have to ride a bike, you can run, which I think is absolutely amazing. And the last one is the desert. And the Galaxy one that I mentioned was the one that I played the first go round. Yay, my little unicorn and my matching wheel. So my final thoughts. I thought it was really fun. Just totally enjoyed it. I think you guys should try it out, and if you do, then we can like ride our bikes together. It'll be really exciting. So I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please comment down below. Let me know what other type of exercises, routines, or other videos that you want to see. And until my next video, besos.